All right, so how are your assignments integrated for EDCI 6620 EdTech for the K-12 leader? So during the first couple weeks, we set up the framework that's going to help us kind of digest all the information that we take in the class through some discussions and some research activities. And then you're going to see that all three of the activities build into each other, and it helps if you look at it going backwards. So at the end, our goal is to have a community event that integrates student leadership. And part of your assignment is going to be to describe what that event looks like. And then you'll be creating either an agenda or the presentations that go with it. You can also do a write-up for it. Now, as you get there, what you're going to be doing in week 6 is you're going to be looking at an existing professional development calendar, whether it's one from your district or one that you select that I have. And you're going to be revamping that PD to help build towards that community event. What are you going to be teaching during that PD? You can be teaching about how you are incorporating student agency or student instructional leadership, or the tools that you are using to kind of push that forward. And so what exactly does that look like? So meet Nicole. Nicole is a fabulous teacher that took the course before. In her first assignment, the student instructional leadership assignment, she has her older SDC students doing a cross-age peer teaching activity with the younger SDC students. This is all taking place at an elementary school level. The older students teach the younger students how to use Jamboard for the purpose of a fun and engaging alphabet recognition and writing activity. Then Nicole went ahead and took her professional development calendar and she integrated where she would teach teachers how to actually use Jamboard in their classes. Now at this point, she's a pro with Jamboard and she's able to show them kind of all the features that they can use, how they could integrate this into their regular classroom, as well as giving them lessons that they can download with it. So then comes her community event proposal. And now Nicole proposes holding a bingo night that uses Jamboard to facilitate that bingo game. And this is an example of the template that she created for the activity. But how are you possibly going to be teaching all these new adults how to use Jamboard to play bingo? And the power of her activity is that she uses the SDC kids, the younger ones and the older ones in the elementary school, to help facilitate the entire event. And all those students participate as tech leaders, making sure that parents and community members are able to engage. And so voila, that's how all three of those activities are nestled in together. So that would mean that by week 5, she had her student agency and instructional leadership activity where the older students are doing cross-age peer teaching with the younger students. In week 6, she prepped her PD plan on how to teach teachers how to use Jamboard. And then during week 8, she held her community event.